You're listening to your weather radio, station KBA 99, broadcasting on Oahu Island on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. Broadcasting originates from the National Weather Service in Honolulu, Hawaii. The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for all of the Hawaiian Islands until further notice. At 6:26 Hawaiian Standard Time, an earthquake with a magnitude of 7.6 on the Richter scale occurred in San Francisco, California. This is believed to have generated a tsunami with a height of 15 feet that will impact the Hawaiian Islands in around 5 hours. Repeat, a tsunami warning has been issued until further notice for the Hawaiian Islands.